guys, may hapon. Nag-utan na sa ko guys. Oh. Na guys ay kalabasa, okra, saluyot guys. Aray, nagsubakan ng ubuan guys.
Council will instead advise the Senate judges
Magtilawan
to
guys.
kindly listen, take note of the only pieces of evidence presented through a
Maparat
witness
man ni
under
guys.
oath and subject to cross-examination, and not statements made by either counsel that are
Ano siya
conclusions
guys? Ako na ning haunon guys.
arriving at their
Haunon na na.
decision. The chair will be more
May
mindful
isulod
of
sa
counsel
balay
for
guys.
so far as
Antigo.
that is concerned.
Thank you.
Counsel for the prosecution, you may proceed.
Thank you.
Baro,
Mr. Witness, you
matindog.
mentioned flash drive, correct?
Ang
Kung
tigulo.
yung flash drive na iyan, ipapakita sa iyo, ma-identify mo ba yan?
Yes po.
Now, ngayon, ipinapakita ko yung flash drive na previously marked as Exhibit P1426 containing the video recording of the Vice President on November 26, 2024 that is previously marked as Exhibit P-Roman numeral 426. May you peruse the same.
Permission to unseal the flash drive, sir.
Witness may do so.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Bakit matindog? Hawak ka man. Hawak ka man. Lalalal.
This is the flash drive where I see the recording, sir.
Now, thank you
Hawak
so
kamay.
much.
Ang tigulan.
Now, you mentioned that you authenticated the recording of the video of the Vice President on November 26, 2024. Okay, sinabi mo, the Vice President did not deny that she made it that. In fact, she made other than not it done. So now, question now is, in what particular portion of that video did the Vice President not deny
Ubaro.
that she made
Mutindog.
those tests?
Ang
You know,
tigulan.
Permission to refer to my investigators now, sir.
You may do so.
Thank you, Your Honor. Timestamp 10 minutes and 40 seconds to timestamp 11 minutes and 50 seconds.
so it's from timestamp 10 minutes to 40 seconds to 11 minutes, 50 seconds. With consolation, that would be 1 minute and 90 seconds.
Tigulan.
Yes, sir. 1 minute and 10 seconds.
Baluoy.
I'm about to show you
Tigulang.
now
Nagulay.
that
Ang
1 minute
tigulang.
and 18 seconds portion, particularly from timestamps 10 minutes, 40 seconds to 11 minutes, 50 seconds. May we allow Attorney Steven Bagayon.
Will counsel, one of the counsels correspondent accompany the counsel for the prosecution to make sure that it's
Ako nag guys.
the witness that will be played by the next.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Say. Say, 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 say. Say, 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 say. Say, 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 say. Oh, say, 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 say. Basa ang may daanan guys. Oh, saban. Say, say. Ugag yapon say, say. Ay, ay, stay ko gitake. Umog. Basa. Wala sa gulog kay basa. Sa ulan.
I know that, you can say the word, that is the correct word to use here. So, I answered, I was asked Romanov, and then I answered October 2.
Bye bye guys for watching.
Romanov.